Here is the app called Rochat AI. So let's take a look. It's getting some traction. Make your own AI character. Engage with AI, unleash your imagination, explore countless characters, your conversations your way, bring your imagination to life, discover interesting theme activities, create new interactive memories with your favorite AI character on Rochat. Rochat is a platform that leverages AI technology to facilitate interactions with characters, fundamentally changing the way we create, engage with, and participate in digital personas. So yeah, here you can just open it up. And then you see the chats where you can just go and chat. So then you need to sign in. So I will just show you so you know how to get in this app. So just sign in. And then here you can just start chatting. So whatever you like. You can see the interface here. You can just tap start to chat. And then there is a free model, and then you can just enter the message. And then there are three dots. Then there are settings. And that's the idea. Then there is a profile. You can view plans, Rochat Premium, 1 month, $15, a lifetime, $250. Daily task, delete an account, exit. Okay, daily task, you can earn some free coins or something. Can complete 1 check-in every 24 hours, and upon successful check-in, 10 Rochat interaction point will be awarded. So as you can see, you need to log in, and then after 24 hours, this button will be available. Then there is Rochat again. Then there are some restricted access. Don't have a code. Join waitlist. You need to have some invite code. Join waitlist. Rochat World exclusive beta waitlist. So that's something new. But yeah, here you have it. These days, a lot of people looking for alternative for Chai app because Chai is becoming paid only. So Rochat can be a nice alternative.